embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook email. So if you want to embed Microsoft Forms in your Outlook email, then first you just need to simply open up your Outlook application. Make sure to sign into your account. And now you need to just go with the blank space and right click on it. Go with customize the ribbon. And here you just need to simply go with new group, and a new group has been created. You need to just go with the drop down and then go with all commands. Here you need to find for the choose form option, which is right here. Click on it and then go with add. And after that, you can simply go with import or export, and then you can import your customization file. You can simply select a file that you have on your PC or your laptop, go with open. Once you're done adding, you just need to simply go with OK. Once you go with OK, you will have choose form option on the top right. And if you click on choose form, then you will have all of the files that you've added right here. So that's how you can embed Microsoft Forms in Outlook email. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.